Motorcars Reviews, Royal Enfield Himalayan 450. Introduction. Motorcars Reviews presents the all-new Royal Enfield Himalayan 450, a modern adventure machine built for power, comfort, and off-road capability. This updated model brings a fresh design and stronger performance for riders who love long journeys in tough terrains. Design and build. The Himalayan 450 features a rugged frame, muscular fuel tank, and improved ergonomics. Its slimmer body, taller stance, and adventure-ready build make it ideal for both city rides and mountain trails. The bike maintains its classic Himalayan DNA with a more premium and modern finish. Engine and performance. Powered by a new 450 cubic centimeters liquid-cooled engine, the Himalayan delivers stronger torque, smoother acceleration, and better efficiency. The ride feels more responsive on highways and stable on rocky paths, giving riders confidence in every condition. Technology and features. This model includes a digital instrument display, switchable ABS, ride-by-wire throttle, and multiple ride modes. The suspension system offers improved travel for off-road comfort, while the LED lighting ensures better visibility in all environments. Comfort and handling. The seat is redesigned for long-distance comfort, and the upright riding position reduces fatigue. Wider handlebars, refined chassis balance, and better weight distribution help the bike handle sharp turns, steep climbs, and rough tracks with ease. Conclusion. The Royal Enfield Himalayan 450 stands out as a powerful and versatile adventure bike, perfect for touring